Right. Alright guys, now we're going to go make a video. This is my GoPro, guys. Apparently my video got messed up. That would have been a good video. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. You guys can see. Look at that, guys. Guys, want me to just jump there? Smash that like button. Alright, guys, going down. Going down. Oh, who's that? Alright, guys. Alright. Look at that, guys. You know, all the footage. Alright guys, minute 33 seconds. Trees. I'm using my GoPro. Oh my god, stupid bug. Alright. Alright, I hope I don't get hurt here. Alright guys, there's some footage here. Look at that, guys. Hey, Rios, I don't want to fall down there. So, there's the footage, guys. We're going this way. Hey guys, we're making a little walk here. We're making some videos today, so let's go down here. Let's see if we can get some good footage, guys. Guys want me to make some more videos, I'm going this way. Holy cow, look at all that. Look at that, guys. Look at all this footage. Look at all this, guys. Look at that, guys. We're at the Riverfront Park. We're at Riverfront Park. Look, guys. Look at that, guys. There's really good footage, and we're going on a trail, and we're going on a trail right now. So I'll be uploading this when I get to the library, and if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. We're going to get some footage. Look at all those plants, guys. But we're going on a trail, and guys, I don't really want to jump because I could probably die, and I don't want to die today. So here is my GoPro is at 91% because I forgot to bring my cube to charge it tonight, but I can charge it tonight, and then tomorrow we're going on a scenery, guys. Look at this. Look at all the good footage. We're going on a hike. 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 So if you guys follow me on social media, I am on, I don't know if I want to say this, you guys are Christian, but my mom passed away, and I am pretty pissed at God right now because he took my mom, so I'm pretty fucking pissed. So this is beautiful nature. I know he created it, but you know, it just pissed me off when the Revelations says that the world could end, but I don't really believe that. I think it said Revelation in the Bible, but we're getting some really good footage, guys. We're getting some really good footage recently. My GoPro lasted so long, but I'll save this in my SD card, and we are going back. We're going back, so sorry for the language I use. I might edit that, but God really ticked me off, and I believe it was the plan that he made. So I don't know much about religious, and I don't know much, so I'm gonna try to read the Bible more, but I don't, in my opinion, I hate to say this, but I don't think it's real. Like, I don't think it's real, but if I do die right now, I might go to hell, because apparently I'm Satan's side, because God took my life. So I might go to hell for that, but you know, this life, you can't control anything in your life. So we're going on a trip. We're going on a trip next week. We're going on a trip next week. Guys, right now we're under a bridge, and you guys can see that we're under a bridge right now. So there's a bridge thing right there, guys, all the way down. So I just got my card yesterday, and I'm sorry if I haven't been uploading, guys. So I don't want to take this risk, but one of these days I'll have to jump in there. Look, guys, look at that. If we hit 20,000 likes, I'll swim in that, guys. I'll swim in that thing if we hit 20,000 likes. So it's been like 8 minutes and 7 seconds. So we're going down. We're going down right now. Look at this. Really good footage, guys. Look at all that. Cars having a party. Yeah. Really nice footage. All the pretty grass.
Morning.
Morning. I went on a big hike, Russ. I went all the way behind the sewer.
What, Brian?
I went all the way and got some footage.
Yes.
All the way to the end.
Okay.
It's really good. My GoPro like that. What's the percentage?
Keep at it.
It's at 86.
Keep at it.
I'll be putting this on YouTube. Hey Russ, I'm gonna go on a hike.
Go take a hike.
I'm gonna go by the river.
You are by the river.
No, that way. That way.
Don't act like you're in the river.
I'm going on a hike.
Watch where you're walking.
Yep, I'm smart. Alright guys, we're going to get some footage. Look at that footage, pretty jungle. George at the jungle. Watch out for a tree. If you guys heard George of the Jungle, hit that like button. When I was a kid, guys, I watched George of the Jungle because that was my favorite Disney show. So alright, if it's a Disney show, we're going by the river right now. We're going by the river, so I'm hoping there's no ticks out here, because my GoPro's at 84%. Guys, I'm gonna upload this today, so if you guys like this video, I'll be going through parks and getting really good footage. So there's people walking over there. You guys can see there's people walking. So there's people walking over there right now. So I'm going to walk over there right now because it's a pretty jungle, guys. Look at all that. So my GoPro made me mad.